Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove pronouns from your Instagram profile. To do this, you just need to go open Instagram account and go to your profile. And after that, click on Edit Profile. Go to the third option, Pronouns, and click on the X near to the pronoun, and after that click on the tick on the top right of the screen, and after that just go back to your profile and refresh, and as you can see, the pronoun is gone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.